Hello, friends. Welcome back to Learn Real Life English. Today, we'll spend the day together, having coffee at a cafe, cleaning the house, and visiting the park. Remember, listen carefully and repeat the sentences to practice speaking. Let's begin. This morning, I'm going to a cafe. I want to drink a cup of coffee and eat a small breakfast. I walk inside. The smell of coffee is strong and nice. The waiter smiles and says,
Good morning. What can I get for you?
"Good morning. I'd like a cappuccino and a croissant, please."
Sure, that will be $5.
I sit at a small table near the window. The sun is shining through the glass. I hear music playing softly. The coffee arrives. It's hot and smells delicious. I take a sip. Very good. The croissant is warm and soft. I enjoy my breakfast slowly. Do you like coffee or tea? Here's a phrase you can repeat. I would like a cup of coffee, please. After the cafe, I go home. The house needs cleaning today. First, I open the windows to let in fresh air. I start by sweeping the floor. The broom moves back and forth. Next, I mop the floor with soapy water. Now, I dust the furniture. I clean the table, the shelves, and the chairs. Then, I wash the dishes in the kitchen sink. Here's a sentence for you. I am cleaning my house. Repeat. I am cleaning my house. Finally, I put things in the right place. The room looks clean and fresh. I feel happy when my home is tidy. In the afternoon, I walk to the park. The park is full of green trees and colorful flowers. I see people sitting on benches, talking and smiling. Children are running and laughing. Some people are riding bicycles. I walk along a small path. The grass is soft under my feet. I see a pond with ducks swimming. Let's learn some nature words. Bench, path, pond, duck, flower. Here's a sentence. The park is beautiful. Repeat. The park is beautiful. Today, we practiced real-life English in 3 places: a cafe, at home cleaning, and a park. We learned useful words and sentences you can use every day. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part. Thank you for learning English with me. See you next time.